Oh, hello. Good day. Good, nice, bright, sunny day. 86 degrees. I got this. Well, first of all, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Please consider subscribing. If you're not new here, welcome back. I'm Bearded Ford Tech. I got this 2009 Ford Fusion equipped with a 2.3 liter. The customer says that when you're, it's got 66,000. And the customer states that when you're sitting or driving, the temperature would actually be a little on the high side of normal. And so I drove it, and it was a little on the high side of normal. Even when you're sitting at idle, it would go a little bit higher. It wasn't hot or overheating, but it was a little higher than where it is now. It was more toward the H. It wasn't in the red though. And I did a bunch of diagnosing and testing, and this baby got a new fan. And you can see the fan is on right now. But what had happened was that module right there went bad. And the new fan assembly comes with that module. So the fan was actually only working on one speed, and when it got to a higher temperature, it wouldn't kick on high. And so that's what the problem was with this one. And I do apologize about the videos that I haven't been getting any out. I've been super duper busy. I've had a lot of my friend can fix it cheaper people come in, and their friend fixed it cheaper but ended up costing them more money in the long run. Just one ticket after another. So I apologize about that, but I figured I'd show you what was going on with this one. So I've been sitting here for 10 minutes or so, and it's just right where it's supposed to be. Now if it goes any higher, like the little temperature symbol, if it goes a little higher over that, the fan would kick on a higher speed. But everything is working correctly right now. See here. So I've gone 16 miles so far. It's 66,181 miles. And that's all that was going on with this, nothing major. Like I said, this is a 2009 with 66,000 miles on it. I also did a valve cover gasket. It was leaking pretty bad. Yeah, you can see where it was leaking all down in there. But I'm gonna take it back to the shop and clean all that stuff out. You see my new sealant right there on the corners. But yeah, that's all that was going on with this one. It just needed a fan. So I appreciate it. Love you guys. See you on the next one.